I have kind of been on a crash streak and take the drone across the footbridge. Yeah, maybe I shouldn't do this. Oh, don't hit the tree, please. Now I'm going to bring you in. You're not coming. All right, guys, I finally warmed up a little bit over here in South Korea, and I have my DJI Neo 2 over here. And in this video, I'm going to show you what it's like to operate your Neo with the app, not with your Apple Watch like I did in a video a few videos back. That does work, but it's not ideal. And I finally got a phone holder for my bike, so I can test it now. And if you want to see any of those videos that I just talked about, I'll have those thumbnails pop up at the end of this video if you want to check them out. And finally, I have kind of been on a crash streak, not a winning streak, but a crash streak. So hopefully I don't have any crash today because I will be operating my drone over the water. All right, pitter patter, let's get at her. Okay, we're recording now. I got it set on front right now. I want to demonstrate just how fast you can change direction. So I'm going to try and go to the left here. See if this works. 3, 2, 1. Just like that. That is how fast it changes direction. Okay. There's a bit of a wind today. Probably can't tell because of the gimbal, but the Neo is all over the place. All right, now I'm going to go over to the dirt trail. Adjust, and then I'm going to bring it behind me so you can see the sun's getting low. And just like that, pretty much instantaneous. As soon as you press it, it does go right behind you. Now I'll bring it up to the front of me again. 3, 2, 1. Just like that. Let's see how fast it changes. Yeah, starts changing as soon as you press the button. Goes up on the other side of me. 1 o'clock, 12 o'clock. Yeah, so it's pretty cool just how quick and responsive it is when you change direction. Let me go back down along here. Oh, don't hit the tree, please. So I want to go out to this other side. Go behind me. There you go. As I move, it'll change direction. And yeah, now it's back over the water again, just like that. And I should not be on the walking path, so I'll go over here to the dirt path. Yeah, so it's pretty cool. Now I'm going to bring it behind me again because I want to try and take the drone across the footbridge. The tide is in, so yeah, maybe I shouldn't do this, but I think we should be good. There's no high tension wire, so let's give it a TRY, shall we? All right, upon landing, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, I think we should be good to go. Let's try this. I think we should be good to go. Now my plan is when I get to the very top of the footbridge, I want to change the direction and give an example of what it's like. Let's say if the sun is setting and I want the sun to be in the background or something, how easy it is to use. You don't need your phone. Just turn around and use your Jedi gestures, Jedi controls, hand gestures. So we're coming up right here now. I'm gonna stop here, pull my bike off to the side. And then I'm gonna put my hand out. Look, I can just move it around like that. I'm gonna go higher up. Just like that. All right. You can just do a 360 if you want, actually. Totally over the water now. Little sketch, but I have faith in you, Neil. They said if you want to bring me in closer. Cool. All right. Let's bring you over here again. And let's get you as far away as possible. Wind's picking up. Cool. Now I'm going to bring you in. Let's go. You're not coming. Great. Let's try that again. Okay, don't panic. Oh, all right, guys. This is a short one, I think, but hopefully I gave you a taste of what it's like to operate the Neo 2 on your bike. I mean, it's got to be the ideal drone for when you're biking. If you're going to be operating any kind of drone that has props on it, that's just not ideal in my opinion, because the Neo 2 can easily fit into your pocket and there's next to no setup. You just take off from your palm, take a shot, and then return the palm, put it back in your pocket, and you're good to go. And the sun has really brightened my eyes, so if you got anything in this video, give me a thumbs up and a sub. I'd greatly appreciate it, guys. See ya.